Okay, I'm gonna go very simple on this, but it is very usable and very simple to set up. I have here my default scene and I have my camera here. I can move my camera down and have it be here. And let's say this is your model that is walking around. Then you can select your camera, go over here to constraints, and in constraints you can set to track to. In track to, you then select the target object that is going to track. And as you can see now, the camera aligned to the model. So if I move the model around, you can see the camera is tracking the model around like this. So every time I move the box, the camera will track it. To make the zoom function then, you can do, go to the camera selection here, and inside your camera options, you have your focal length, and changing your focal length will equal the zoom effect you're doing. You might want to track something on your model, perhaps some on the sleeve or on up here at the neck. Then the camera tracking will be a little off because it will track for the model itself. What we could do then is add, say, an empty, and then you can tell the camera to track the empty instead. And then you can animate the empty. Let's do like this and select the empty. As you see now, I can move the empty around on the model, so I can check up on the neck, I can track on the sleeve, I can track on the pants, and the camera will follow, and I can zoom in and out using the focal length. You can see here, if I move to camera and change my focal length, I will be zooming in and out. And you can animate this by using the I key. So if I take the model here, I first go over here, set a keyframe, location, then go up here, say, set a keyframe, over here, keyframe. Now I have animated the box. Then I can tell this one to follow it. Like over here, I would like to set it to be down there, set a keyframe. Up here, I will tell it to be up on this corner here, set a keyframe. And over here, I will tell it to be down on the lower corner down here, and set a keyframe. And as you can see now, I can track the various parts of the model. And if I like, I can then out here on the camera set a key for this. Up here, I set a zoom in for this, set a key. And up here, I zoom out again and set a key. That should be what you're asking, I take it. So have fun with your project, and feel free to share your project when it's done so I can see this was any help of you.